Morning, my dear students. Today I will start class 15, some miscellaneous examples, one by one. Example number 2. If Z1 is equal to 2 minus I, Z2 is equal to 1 plus I, find modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. This is the question. Z1 is equal to 2 minus I, Z2 is equal to 1 plus I. Find Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Here, this is the Z1 complex number, Z2 another one complex number. This is what? This is modulus. This is meaning is what? Modulus. Let modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Substitute Z1 value, Z2 value. This is Z1, this is Z2. Value substitute. Modulus keep as it is. Z1 is what? 2 minus I plus Z2 is what? 1 plus I plus 1 all divided by Z1 is what? 2 minus I, 2 minus I. Z2 is what? Minus 1 minus I plus 1 is equal to, here plus I minus I get cancelled, 2 plus 1 plus 1 total 4 divided by 2, here that is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, here 2 minus I, 2 minus 2I. This is modulus is equal to 4 as it is. Here 2 is there, 2 taking common, 1 minus I modulus. 2 ones are 2 twos are is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus I modulus. We know that, or because modulus of Z1 by Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 divided by modulus of Z2. Separate modulus in numerator, separate modulus in denominator is equal to modulus of 2 divided by modulus of 1 minus I. Do you know that modulus of 2 is equal to what? 2. Understood? Modulus of A is equal to what? A. Here modulus of 1 minus I is what? Square root of modulus definition, real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part is what? 1 square. Imaginary part is what? Minus 1 whole square. That is 1 square plus 1 square is equal to what? Root 2. This is the definition of modulus. Here modulus of 2 is what? 2 divided by modulus of 1 minus I, real part square plus imaginary part square. is equal to 2 divided by square root of 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1 is equal to 2 by root 2. Do you know that here one condition is there? 2 can written in the form of root 2 root 2. Root 2 root is what? Root a into root b root ab. Root 2 is root 4. Root 4 value is what? 2. This can be written 2 can express root 2 divided by root 2. 1 root to get cancel. Answer is root 2. Listen carefully. That is, here if z1 is equal to 2 minus I, z2 is equal to 1 plus I, find this modulus. In modulus inside, z1 is there, z2 is there, z1 is there, z2 is there. Substitute given to complex. Here this is the condition. z1 is what? 2 minus I. z2 is 1 plus I plus 1 as it is. z1 minus z2, 2 minus I, minus of z2, minus 1 minus I. Substitute. Here I get cancel, 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancel, positive negative get cancel, remaining 2 plus 1 total 4. 2 minus I is what? 2 minus 2I, 2 taking common, 2 ones are 2 2s. Modulus of 2 is what? 2. Modulus of 1 minus I is what? Root 2. Real part square plus imaginary part square under root. Here that is next example number 3. Example number 3. If z1 is equal to 2 minus I and z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I, find here two values. First one is find only real part of z1 z2 divided by z1 bar, and second one imaginary part. Aya means imaginary part of 1 by z1 bar. Z1 is equal to 2 minus I, Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I, Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 bar, 1 by Z1 bar. My dear students, that is here a very important point. Z1 bar, Z1 already is there, Z2 already is there, but Z1 bar first find out and substitute. Only find out real part of that one. Only find out imaginary part of that one. Here already given solution, given two values, z1 is equal to 2 minus I and z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I, and one more condition is there. Z1 bar means conjugate. Z1 bar is equal to 2 minus I becomes 2 plus I. This is symbol for conjugate. And the question here, Don't confuse it. The symbol is what? Conjugate. Conjugate symbol. This is the conjugate symbol. Conjugate means change imaginary part of the sign. Change imaginary part of the. This is a complex. Its conjugate, real part as it is. Change imaginary part of the sign. Minus becomes plus. That is first one to find. That is value is what? Real part. Find out real part of Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 bar is equal to, first to find, simplify Z1 into Z2. Z1 is what? 2 minus I. Z2 is what? Minus 2 plus I. And denominator you must and should write Z1 bar. Here 2 plus I. Carefully write. This is very important point. Here bar, conjugate value write. Z1 conjugate. Simplify this one. Here these product of two complex numbers. Product of two complex. Simplify 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 2i minus minus plus 2i minus plus minus I into I square whole divided by here 2 plus I is equal to, here denominator 2 plus I as it is, here minus 4 plus 2i 4i. I square value is what? Because I square value minus 1 minus minus plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. This is here minus 4 plus 1 is what? Minus 3 plus 4i divided by 2 plus I. Yes. This is a incomplete complex. Division of complex. Denominator I is there. This take up, rise. Rise apply meaning is what? Rationalizing the function. That is rationalization the function. Rationalization apply. That is here rationalization. 2 plus I becomes, here 2 plus I becomes is what? 2 minus I, opposite sign. 2 minus I multiply divided by denominator of 2 minus I is equal to, that is here denominator a plus b, a minus b. This is a plus b, this is a minus b. A square minus b square, that is the formula. A square minus b square, that is the formula. Product of numerator minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus minus plus 3 into I plus 4 2s are 8 8i plus minus minus 4 I into I square is equal to 2 square is what? 4. I square value minus 1 minus minus plus, because here I square value minus 1. This is I square, this is also I square. Minus 6 plus 3i plus 8i plus 4 plus 4. Real part separate, imaginary part separate. Here 4 plus 1 5. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is what? Minus 2. 3i plus 8i 11i. This is the value of that one, but to find only here, to find only real part. Here this is the solve, this is complete solution, but the particular to find real part of, only real part Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 bar, only real part, only real. Here real part is what? This one. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. Asking real part, value is what? Minus 2 by 5 is the real. Listen here, z1 is equal to 2 minus I, z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I is there. Here to find only real part of this complex numbers, but numerator product of two complex, denominator conjugate of z1, product of z1 z2, this is the conjugate of z1, 2 minus I becomes 2 plus I, product of numerator 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into I 2I, minus minus plus I into 2 2I, minus plus minus I into I square. I square value is always minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. Here minus minus plus. Separate real, separate imaginary. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 plus 4I divided by 2 plus I. Incomplete complex, make it complete, or division of complex, rationalizing the function. Class 2 algebra on complex, that is here division of complex, rationalization the denominator, that is 2 plus I becomes 2 minus I, multiply divided by 2 minus I, denominator a plus b, a minus b, formula is what? A square minus b square, that is 2 square is 4, I square value minus 1, minus minus plus, 3 2s are minus 3 2s are 6, minus minus plus 3I, 4 2s are 8I, 4I into I, 4I square value minus 1, minus minus plus, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 3I, 8I, 11I. This is a complex, yes, complete complex, but to find particular real part, only real part separate. Yes, real part of this one is what? Real part of this one is what? Minus 2 by 5. Real part is what? Minus 2 by 5. But same question asking in imaginary, this is imaginary, but here asking only real part, minus 2 by 5. Here CT point carefully, here this example in asking sometimes CT, very carefully write, real part asking only, here CT point of view, and plus theory also is there. Next, second one more is there, second one, that is second to find imaginary, that is I am imaginary find out. Second one is what? Imaginary find out. In continue, second one, imaginary of I am means imaginary of 1 by z1 and its conjugate means bar, is equal to 1 by, first to find simplification of complex numbers, z1 is what? 2 minus I, and z2 is what? z1 bar, sorry, z1 bar. This is z1 be a complex 2 minus I and its conjugate and its bar. This is value is what? Conjugate. Conjugate meaning change imaginary part of the sign. Change imaginary part of the sign. This is what? A minus b, and this is a plus b. Do you know that in the form of a minus b, a plus b is what? A square minus b square, formula apply. 1 divided by denominator product of two complex, that is 2 square, and minus I square. Do you know that I square value is what? Because I square value is what? Minus 1, already studied in class 2. Here that is equal to 1 by, that is 2 square is what? 4. I square value is what? Minus 1, minus minus plus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. Here to find imaginary part of that one, here imaginary part of that one, here this is only purely real. In this place imaginary part is what? 0. This is purely real exist. In this place imaginary part is what? 0. Then result is what? 0. This is very carefully right. That is very important point of view, or CT point of view in second one. Here that is here in this place CT point of view, very carefully write imaginary part of that one, That is imaginary part is 0. Only real is there. Imaginary is what? 0. There is no imaginary. That place consider imaginary. Next example number 4. Example number 4. Find the real numbers. Find the real numbers x and y. If x minus iy into 3 plus 5y is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. Minus 6 minus 24. X minus iy into 3 plus 5i is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. Here in this example, very carefully write this part. This part is very important. Conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. That is very important point. Solution. In class 3 or 4, equality of a complex numbers, I solved some few examples, and one more miscellaneous examples is there. This one I will explain. Find the value of x and y. Same meaning. Find the value of x and y. Given is what? X minus iy, complex number, into 3 plus 5i is equal to, that is conjugate. Conjugate means bar. This is minus 6 minus 24i. This is the symbol for that, conjugate symbol. Here simplify this one, separate real part, separate imaginary part, product of two complex, again a complex number. Simplify this one. Here x into 3, 3x plus I times of 5x, x times iy times. Next minus I times of 3y minus 5y I square. Listen here, x into 3, 3x, x into 5y, I times of 5x, minus I times of 3y, minus plus minus I into I square, y into 5, 5y is equal to, separate, this is equal to minus 6. Conjugate meaning real part as it is. Change imaginary part of the sign. Minus becomes plus, that is conjugate is complete. This is just only sign change. That is the meaning for conjugate. Keep real part as it is. Only change imaginary part of the sign. Only change imaginary part of the sign. That is here I square value, because I square value is what? Minus 1. 3x as it is plus I times of 5x minus I times of 3y minus minus plus 5y is equal to minus 6 plus 24i. Equality of a complex numbers. Equate real and imaginary parts. Here real part one side, imaginary one side. 3x plus 5y real part plus imaginary part. I taking common 5x minus 3y is equal to, that is minus 6 plus 24i. Be a complex, equality of a complex. Equate real and imaginary parts. Equate real and imaginary parts. That is, real part is what? Here 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. This is real part. Here equate real part, equate imaginary part. That is equation number 1. Imaginary part 5x minus 3y is equal to plus 24, equation number 2. Solve two equations, two unknowns. We know that already studied for 10th standard. We know that for the two equations, two unknowns exercise. Two equations, two unknowns, x and y, two unknowns, and equation 1, equation 2, two equations, two unknowns solve. If any one of the unknown is get cancelled, that is plus 5y minus 3y, opposite multiply, that is this is multiply by 3, this is multiply by 5. That is value. Next step is what? That is 3 3s are 9, 9x plus 15y is equal to minus 18. Next 5 5s are 25x minus 15y is equal to 24 into 5 120. Solve this one, get positive negative y get cancel, x present, that is 34x is equal to 102. 120 minus 18 is 102. X is equal to what? 3. X value is 3. Substitute x value, any one of the equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies 3 times of x value substitute plus 5y is equal to minus 6. Here x value is what? 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5y is equal to minus 16. Here 5y is equal to minus 15. Y value is what? Minus 3. Here x value, y value, here x value, y value correct or not verify. Here if x is plus 3, y is minus 3. 3 3s are 9. 5 into minus 3, 15. 9 minus 15. Here that is 9 minus 15 is what? Minus 6. Yes, x and y value is correct. Once again I will explain. This is the very important point to keep in your mind. That is here conjugate. Conjugate of this one is very very important. Find x and y. This is the product of complex. X minus iy, 3 plus 5y is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. Here that is product of two complex. Simplify this one. That is product of two complex. Conjugate means bar. Bar means change imaginary part of this sign. This is x into 3, 3x, x into 5y, I times of 5x, minus I times of 3y, minus plus minus, I into I square, 5i. I square value minus 1, minus minus plus. Separate real, separate imaginary. This is equality of a complex numbers. Equate real and imaginary part. This is the real part. This is the real part. This is the imaginary part. Real, real equal, imaginary, imaginary equal. Yes, two equations, two unknowns. This method here, any one of the get cancelled. Already positive is there, already negative is there. Opposite number multiply. Here 3 multiply, here 5 multiply. Get 15, 15. Positive 15, negative 15 get cancelled. Remaining 9x plus 25, 34. Minus 18 plus 120, 102, x value is 3. If x value is 3, substitute any one of the 1 or 2, any one of the equation will get y value. This is the to finding the value of x and y. Next, example number 15, example number 5. Example number 5, I will explain, that is here, example number 5. If 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power m is equal to 1, then find the least positive integral value of m. Here, if 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole to the power m is equal to 1, then find the least positive integral value of m. What do you meaning that m value find out? This is what division of complex. Keep in your mind, this is division of complex. Apply rationalizing, become a complex. First, it is the solution. Let 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. This is the function is there. Rationalize this one, that is equal to m is equal to, that is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. Rationalize this one, it is rationalizing function. Denominator rationalize, 1 minus I becomes 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I whole power m as it is. By applying rationalizing the function, rationalization function, that is equal to, here product of numerator, product of denominator, a plus b, 1 plus I whole square, denominator a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, m as it is. Next, that is here 1 plus I whole square can return a square plus b square plus 2ab. I square value is what? Minus 1. I square value minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Value is what? 2y. Here is equal to, that is this value is what? 2y divided by 1. I square value is what? Minus 1 whole to the power m is equal to that is equal to 1 is there. That is here is equal to 2i divided by 2 whole power m is equal to, that get cancel, I power m. If I power m is equal to, this equal to what? 1. Yes, this is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Here is equal to 1. Here is there is equal to 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Here is equal to 1. Base is I. This convert base I. One formula is there, because I power 4 can return 1. I power 4 can return 1. 1 can be convert complex form. 1 can be convert complex form. I power m is equal to, this is convert complex form. I power 4 is what? 1. That one formula, a power x is equal to a power y, which implies x is equal to y. Powers are equal. Therefore, m value is what? Listen here, if 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power m is equal to 1, then find the least positive integral value of m. This is division of complex. First simplify this one. This is, here is there 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. Rationalize this one, denominator 1 minus I becomes 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I whole power m as it is. Numerator, product of numerator 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 1 plus I whole square. Here 1 plus I whole square, a square, b square, 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, I square value minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 2i only. Yes, this is 2i. Denominator a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, I square value minus 1, minus minus plus 1 plus 1, 2, 2 to get cancelled, I power m. Here I power m, this is the complex, this is real, convert complex. One value is what in complex? One value is what in complex? I power 4, yes, I power 4. I power 4 is what? That is I power m equal to I power m. That is one formula, law of indices. A power x is equal to a power y. Then x is equal to y. Powers are equal. M value 4. Okay. Next example number 6. I will continue to the next class.